Hey everybody, James Wright here from Brantford Honda, aka Mr. Buy It Right. I have another fantastic vehicle to show you. This is a 2019 Kia Sorento. Has about 58,000 kilometers on the dial and a lot of great features. Let's take a look.
Alright guys, we're going to do a quick walk around on the body to show you the great condition that it is in. It does have a nice clean CarFax, no accidents or damage records on file. This is an all-wheel drive model. Show you the tread on the tires as well. There's a lot of meat left on them. For more information, feel free to call or text me direct on my cell. The number's right at the bottom of the screen there, 519-732-5551. On your heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, you have 4-inch controls right at your fingertips. On the right is your cruise control, as well as your menu control. On the left, Bluetooth and media controls. On the door, you have your power mirror and window switches. This is a digital display that you can control as well. On your center dash, you have a very simple to use touchscreen display. This does bring up Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so if you plug your phone in down below here. On the USB port, you can load up Google Maps, Spotify, Waze, whichever apps you like to use on your phone, you can bring up right on the screen. This is also a display for your backup camera. Just down below is a very simple to use climate control panel. You have the toggles for your heated seats on each side, as well as that heated steering wheel. Just down by the shifter here, you can change around your drive modes. So there's a few different options when you hit that button. You can have eco mode up here, sport, smart, or comfort drive. You can also lock in your all-wheel drive system with this button right here. And as you can see, the interior is in absolutely fantastic shape. No rips or tears, no scratches or stains. It's a nice, clean, non-smoker vehicle. The comfort continues in the back of the Sorento with loads of passenger space, as well as a folding down center armrest, equipped with cup holders.
Thank you for watching. For more information on this vehicle or any other car in our lot, feel free to call or text me direct on my cell. The number's right at the bottom of the screen here. It's 519-732-5551. I look forward to working with you.